identify yourself, sir?
Devon Anderson.
Yeah, man, coach. Full
Yeah.
contact, right. Yeah, man, today we realized in the first half we never seen TC much. What happened today?
Well, I don't know what you consider much, but in the first half, we create 5 opportunities and fail to score any. The opponents create one, or we create one for the opponent, and they took the lead.
All right, this is a early, I would call it early season now, bro. What next for CC? What should we expect?
We take each game one at a time. However, the performance today was far under par, as the film would have shown. You know, we underperformed today. We create numerous amount of opportunity in front of goal, but fail to score more than one. But nevertheless, I mean, we take a plus from this. We realize our mistake, and trust me, you'll see us bigger and better for the next game.
Second half wasn't just was so entertaining though. What different in the second half? Was so the spirit was much higher in the second half.
Simple, supposed to be easy. And I asked them to play simple. Because that's how we train. We train simple, so it must be easy. And they went out there for a period of time, put down the ball and pass it, and play the way I'm asking them to play. And I mean, the result of that, we create 5 chances, we score 1.
Coach, overall, squad look quite young, but yet still the technical ability still remain. How difficult is it to maintain that high level of technical ability with such a young and proper players?
It's very difficult, you know, and 2 months is not enough. I mean, it's a building process. You know, the seed has planted. Where I'm concerned and my philosophy, it will take time to bear fruit. However, I mean, with a game like this, you know, I am so disappointed because we should have done much better.
But coach, the team definitely finished the game very, very strong, though, despite the conceding early goal. Strong legs going in the final aspect of the game. What's your thought on that?
Still could have done better. I'm still not satisfied with what I see. I'm still not satisfied with the display out there. Yes, we finished the game on a high, but a high would have been 3 points for me. And I still wouldn't please because they have not done what we're supposed to do out there on the field. So trust me, to be honest, I mean, you know me, and I mark hard. And when it comes to mediocre from my team, I am going to be upset. But nevertheless, I mean, kudos to the opponent. They came up here, they fought a hard fight, and you know they went out. They are going away with a point. I mean, you know, we just have to wheel and come again.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.